everyone, and welcome to my channel, Smile. There's Wine. Emily here. Hope you guys are all doing fabulous out there, and Merry Christmas, you guys. I'm kind of fully in the Christmas spirit. I want to show you my outfit real quick because I think it's super cute. So you can see my hair. Turn around. This is a little sweatshirt. I teach the smartest cookies. And then, I'm just going to stand up for you real quick. Okay, whew. I got this skirt from Amazon. They have all these different patterns. So stinking cute. And then these are not tights. These are actually those leggings that are super warm inside. All fuzzy and warm. So even though it looks like that's my leg, it's inside it's all warm. I don't know, I thought it was cute. So I was like, gotta show my people, right? Okay, well, hello and welcome. So you clicked on this video because it is a Christmas YouTube Swapadoodle. So I had Sherry from Show Me Sherry reach out to me. She's a fellow YouTuber, and she contacted several different YouTubers and was like, hey, you guys want to do a little Christmas favorite things Swapadoodle? And I was like, yeah, I love getting stuff in the mail. Hello, yes. So today I have 3 things to open with you, actually 4, because I'm going to share with you my favorite thing, what I sent them. Make sure you check out their videos as well so you can see their reactions to what they got. We all got the same thing, but it's always fun to see different reactions. And we are doing a giveaway. So I'm going to let you know first and foremost how you can get into this giveaway before I jump into all this, okay? So what you're going to want to do is 1, subscribe to all of our channels. Again, their information is listed below. 2, like all of our videos. It's listed below. 3, each one of us is going to have a secret code word, and then you're going to want to comment that below, and you'll be entered into the raffle, and you'll win one of our favorite things, which is so super fun. So please do that. Comment below, subscribe, and give the video a thumb up, as well as visit my friends that are partaking in the Swapadoodle with me. So my word, I'm just going to tell you what it is caramel. We all kind of said, let's do some kind of food, favorite sweet things around the holidays. And truthfully, I like sweets. I'm not going to say I don't like sweets, but I'm more of a salt fan. If I had to choose between, I don't know, a cake or French fries, I'm always going to go French fries. I don't know. That's just me. But when it comes to caramel, especially a dark chocolate covered caramel with the sea salt on it, oh, I just die. So my special word, my secret word is caramel. Go ahead and comment below, and hopefully you will be one of our lucky winners. All right, so before we jump into this, I did want to share a really fun thing that I did at my house with people, my friends, in real life, IRL, not just on YouTube, and it was a favorite things party. You guys, this is such a fun party to do, and if you are social and have a lot of friends or just like things, this might be a party right up for your alley. I've actually been wanting to do this party for a while, but there is a little bit of an initial investment because you do have to buy $100 worth of stuff. I'm already losing some of you wait, what? So I'm just going to go ahead and explain it the best that I can. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of one of your favorite things. It can be beauty. It can be a home item. It can be an accessory. It could be a health item. And one of those favorite things, and it has to be around the price point of $20, okay? So then you're going to buy 5 of those items. So you are spending $100. Now, you might have a favorite thing that's $10. Then you're going to want to find another thing that's $10 and put it together. So 2 little things can go together, and that would be a $20 item. So then you would buy that times 5, right? So everybody shows up to the party with their favorite thing. So yes, they've spent about $100. We get in a circle, we put it all out around the table, and then we go around the table, and each person kind of gets to explain why it's their favorite thing, why they love it. And then I had 12 people at my party, 12 with me included. We just wrote numbers, 12 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, all the way to 12, ripped them up, put them in a bowl, and then we just picked. And the person who picked 1 got to choose 1 gift first. Person picked 2, picked 1 gift next, So we went all the way through, then we put all the numbers back in, mixed it up, went around again. So you end up going around 5 times. And the benefit of mixing those numbers up is that, for instance, if the person who picked the number 1 the first time, that's not really, I don't know, that's not really fair because then they're always going to get the first choice item, right? So it was kind of fun to mix it up and be able to kind of choose some different things. Also, I really like the fact that we had a lot of girls, because if you only have, let's say, 5 girls, you're kind of stuck with those 5 items and they might not really be your thing, right? So it's just so much more fun when you have a lot of people there. So I would truly recommend having a favorite things party. My girlfriends absolutely loved it. We did flannels, friends, and favorite things. So we all were flannels. And they all kind of brought an appetizer and stuff. And it was just a huge hit. And they were all like, can we please do this for Mother's Day? Can we, like maybe like the Saturday before Mother's Day? Because sometimes we just don't get the gifts we want, right? Okay, enough of that. Have a favorite things party. It is a lot of fun. Now it is time to open up some of these favorite things from some of my girls. So we are going to start with a Melissa from Gingham Girl. I absolutely love her. Watch her often. Beautiful paper too, by the way. Let's see. This is going to be a little bit to get into. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, there's like several things in here. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful wrapping. Are you kidding me? Like, I don't even want to open this. She's so sweet. Okay. We're going to get in here. What is this? Battery operated. Oh, girl, I've been needing some of these. Battery operated, if that's what in here. Window taper candles, LED. Seriously, I have this beautiful candle holder, which I never use the candles in them because we got them for our wedding and they're like super nice. And so I just don't want to I don't want to use them. How cool are these? I absolutely love these. These are so cool. I do not have these. I am so excited. And there's quite a few in here. There's like 5 or 6. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so excited. And maybe that'll encourage me to buy some kind of candelabra. Oh, there's a note. I should read the note first. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. You too. Emily, we hope you and your family have a very blessed Christmas. Love, Melissa. Easy on the wine. Love your channel. She's so cute. Well, it's been hard to be easy on the wine lately. There's been a lot going on. This is beautiful too. Deck the halls. How cute. It's because she's Southern. She always does things cute, huh? Huh, girl? Okay. And look! Oh! How sweet! And this, Merry Christmas. How sweet is this? Seriously. That's absolutely beautiful. Just like standalone. This is going definitely in my living room. This is beautiful, Melissa. Seriously, thank you. Okay, and what is this little card? Hi, Emily. Push the button on the bottom of the candle to light. Candles require batteries. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? But this one is ready to go. As he is the light of the world. Oh, you're gonna make me cry, girl. May these candles remind you of the reason for the season. Seriously? You are just the best. I'm so gonna cry. Literally. That is so sweet and they're beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Next. How cute is this? It almost looks like a cookie. Cute little ornament. Okay, I think that I want to just check. Oh, for a card. Okay, yes. Okay, this is from Deanne. And I hope I'm saying her name right. Okay, have a great holiday, Danene. So cool. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, microfiber hair wrap. Yes. This is great, and I love this color. It's so cute and pink. These are so good. I had one a long time ago, but I don't know where it went. Oh, look how cute. Sleek. It has this cute little button. Perfect. So cute. Oh, look at this. Shower cap, which is great for when you don't want to get the hair wet and have to redo it every day, right? Let's see what this is. Oh, Lang. This stuff is really good. I don't have one of those Lang straighteners, but I've heard amazing things. This is the heat shield. Yay. Thank you. lavender hand cream with vitamin E. So fun. Ooh, glass hair thermal blowout primer. I'm gonna try this right now. I washed it this morning. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. Cute. Yay! I always need hair stuff. Hair stuff's like one of those things. I will try it all. And then some super cute little lip balm. Fun. So sweet. Thank you so much. I love all of these things. It's like a whole little hair kit. So cute. And I always need more hand cream. Drying up, people. This time of year. It's crazy. Oh, I'm so excited for this stuff. Yay, thank you. Oh, so fun. Okay, so I opened this next one, and this is from Show Me Sherry. And there's some fun little tinsel. I'll just put that on right now. Ready to go. Fun. Cute. Love it. So cute. Oh, there's a card that says open last. Okay, this little, how cute. And that stuff for me, girl, that's great because working with kids, we got to pull out all the fun things, right? So I'm going to open this little one first. What is it? It is, ooh, Thrive Cosmetics Flake-Free Tubing Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh, mascara. Yes. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Oops, did I get some on me? Let me look in this other mirror. That might help me out. Oh, this is great. Look how thick that is. Oh yes, I love this. Thank you, thank you. Okay, what is this? Ooh, little perfume sampler. Sephora perfume sampler. Look at all of the fancy ones in there. These are great to like have in the car. Always like, and then you always get to like try out the different smells. Like this Good Girl. Everyone talks about this. I'm gonna smell this. I'm going out for, oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm going out for a girlfriend's birthday tonight. Sushi, yum. And I'm like ready to go. Look at me. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna smell all these. I don't want to spray them all right now because you know then they'll all mix and I will be confused. Okay, this last one is open last. Let's see. Oh, what fun. Aw. I hope you enjoy some of my favorites. I love to smell good. It's always so fun to try new scents. I hope you find a super special one. This mascara is absolutely my favorite. Best ever. It is. I'm excited. Thank you for introducing this to me because I'm always on the hunt for like good mascara and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Or just like new things. So cute. Thank you. Love it. Love these glasses too. I could like wear this. I could just rock this whole thing. Okay, real quick, I want to share what I sent out and what I will be gifting. And this is the Mary Kay Eye Makeup Remover. You guys, I used to sell Mary Kay like a long time ago, like before marriage, before kids, like 16 years ago. This was the #1 bestseller. This stuff is so good. I use it every day. I've been using it every day for 16 years. Probably great at removing mascara. What you're going to want to do is shake it, get it all mixed up. So it's oil free, but it kind of has a little bit of an oil base to it. I don't know the science behind it. Very interesting. You spray it or put it on a little cotton pad, hold it on your eye. You need to hold it on your eye for like 10 seconds. And then literally it just wipes everything away. It's great at taking away lipstick. It's not alcohol, so it's not gonna burn. It's really good for like contact lens wearers, hyperallergenic. It just gives such a nice clean face, clean eyes. I just absolutely love this stuff. It's amazing. It sells for about $18. And so in addition to that, I gave the girls earrings because I am obsessed. Okay, I buy these earrings, I have so many. Just gonna try to pull out some fun ones for you. But I buy these like in bulk on Amazon. and I wear them all the time. I love them because they're super lightweight, but they're big enough to like frame your face and kind of like shape your face, which is really nice. I love to match them with my outfits. It's just super fun. So anyways, that's what I sent them. If you want to receive that, that's what I'll be sending out to one of my lucky viewers. So please comment below. Caramel is the special word, and I will send you some eye makeup remover and some fun earrings. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun. Merry Christmas to you. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye.